Hey, hi Lokesh, how are you?
Hi అన్న I'm good అన్న.
ఓకే. సో సారీ మ్యాన్ ఈ టైంలో తీసుకుంటున్నాను నీ సక్సెస్ స్టోరీ అండ్ ది స్టోరీ విల్ నాట్ బి డిస్కస్ విత్ ఎనీ వీడియో అండ్ ఆల్ బికాస్ యా సమ్ కన్సర్న్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. సో మా క్యాండిడేట్స్ చాలా మంది దే ఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్ ఏ సక్సెస్ స్టోరీ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్ దట్ టు ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఈస్ దట్ ఓకే? కెన్ యూ
Yeah అన్న.
యా
Yeah,
యా ప్లీజ్ షేర్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. How many years of experience do you have, and how you got the opportunity, and what kind of efforts you did it to get a good job in TCS with good package. And yeah, the session is yours, and you can start sharing your journey. Okay, I'll be keeping mute. Okay, thank you. Please go ahead.
yeah అన్న. Hi అన్న. Myself Lokesh. Working as a network admin from past 4 years. Uh, in our Wipro.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so, so actually I gotten this offer at morning 10 and I attended this at 1 p.m. It's in a hurry mode. I got an opportunity from you,
Mm-hmm.
so I got went directly without thinking. So after going over there, I've taken all they have given verified my all certificates and everything.
Mm-hmm.
After they have sit. This was a walk-in
Yeah.
walk-in drive.
Yeah.
So
So it was a
and the
walk-in
first,
drive. Yeah, this was a walk-in drive, and I suddenly got a call from the manager, whoever is good with skills. So I posted in group at 10 a.m. and you are active and you utilized that opportunity and you went there. Yeah, it was
yeah,
our
and
sudden.
if
Yeah,
someone also comes, it will be so useful enough. But I'm the one person went from our TBN networks.
yeah, yeah,
So they asked me some is there any candidates? So from my TBN networks, is there? So I said I am only came from the TBN networks. That's what. They
yeah.
ask if there any some more good candidates because you are saying very good from your uh, like that. For first time I have faced the walk-in drive
Mm-hmm,
and I went to interview panel
mm-hmm.
directly.
Okay,
After that they asked me about my experience. I said my experience. I have a 4 years of experience in network admin. What you do?
mm-hmm.
Uh, those things asked.
So how many
Yeah.
rounds it was actually? How many technical rounds it was?
One round on and one technical round and management round. Management
Okay,
of those management skills. That's it. And no.
okay. So
They
what
that
are
is
the?
walking. No, so they are identifying directly. And if we get 10 minutes, they will be direct identified, right? So they are
Yeah,
knowing those are the TLs. They are doing interview directly.
yeah. So how it started interview? Share your
You
experience with
asked me
questions.
about my self intro. I introduced myself to them. Myself, Lokesh, as working as a network, so on like that,
Mm-hmm,
and asked that what are the things you will be doing over there. He
mm-hmm.
said, I said like that we will get some incidents. We will get incidents from the NOC team, and we used to resolve the issues from end to end.
Yeah.
We are the main implementation team. We are for the Wipro. So I said like that, Anna.
Okay.
After that, he asked that is there any L3 troubleshooting issues like that?
Mm-hmm.
Any troubleshooting issues? He asked me directly. I said one BPD issue when BPD got enabled is the link will be the reachability will be gone. Anna. So I said that
Mm-hmm.
one issue, and I said another. Uh, I was said clearly you for your real-time project directly over there over
Yeah.
there,
Okay.
which you have said for the with the BJP and all the projects you have said, right?
Yeah.
So I have taken that one, and I said so they get flat for that one thing,
Mm-hmm.
and they haven't asked another any question regarding anything.
So what
They
you
got,
what you picked from my I have teach so many real-time projects. So which one you picked and which one you said to them?
I have picked asymmetric routing that BGP project. Now we have which you have
Yeah.
said the real time project, right? That one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
yeah, I have taken that project, and Actually, have done till the BJP classes all the time, but I haven't done the real time project. Within you said me 10, and I have watched one and a half or 2 hours the classes and fast forward the classes, and I will listen to all the classes, and I would said that clearly over there. That's it.
Okay.
For that one project they got fought, and
Mhm.
they have taken me.
So they
Yeah,
impressed after telling
yeah.
this. Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
I just said that asymmetric routing. Though haven't like when the one link one sending was going on over on one link, and receiving was going over one link. That's what I was by using AS path when local preference that you have
Yeah.
said. Then
Yeah.
example now
Yeah.
that's it.
Okay. Any other basic questions and other any other things they ask?
Basic questions means they have the what you will do when we hand over the switch when we hand over any switch or router to use that they ask me like that.
Okay.
They
It
ask me,
means new
yeah,
switch.
as
You
your
mean?
implementation, you're saying that what you will do. I said I will configure the whole
Mm-hmm.
switch, and I'll add to the network. And after that, after the all things are fine, after the
Mm-hmm.
configuring everything, all things were fine. I will give to the NOC person. Then they will do the monitoring, so and they will verify the everything. Those things
Okay.
I said.
Very good. Any the other
Yeah.
things? Basics interview questions other than these two?
No, no, they just after that I said that troubleshooting question. I directly went to the BJP and OSPF, right?
Okay. They ask
OSPF.
OSPF. They ask OSPF.
OSPF means we OSPF why you means OSPF like area what is the areas they asked
Mm-hmm.
why you areas they ask like that I said the areas uh, answer and they directly after the OSPF I said BJP no so they have got my knowledge and so that
So
they
okay.
haven't
So they asked you about OSPF and BGP. OSPF, they asked why we need areas. So you explain with real-time scenario, which I explained you that one, or directly simply like how you explain
yeah.
why areas, why we need areas, how you explain that.
Yeah, no, I said area. Why we need areas means to reduce the for
Mm,
the database. Said simple words another as
yeah.
to reduce the database like that. I said, and I used to continue, but he was a
He,
uh,
okay.
he stopped me so that like
So
that.
he thought, okay, this guy has the knowledge. He's using professional keywords, and okay, let's
Yeah,
move to the next question. Oh, that's nice. So other than
that's it.
these two,
Only.
yeah, other than these two, any questions they asked you?
No one of these things. Only they after that they got a salary negotiation like that. Those things only.
So how many minutes it has been the interview?
I think it might be max 5 minutes. Or no, that's it.
Is it
Five to
five
10.
5 to 10 minutes of interview?
Yeah, literally. That is 5 to 10 minutes.
Actually, the thing is, we are back end. We are connected, right? Like the managers and
Yeah,
all. So they know they're
yeah.
watching us. Tungabhadra Networks candidates. They are also learning from our company. The things and all. And it's very good actually. They're trusting you, and you proved by explaining the scenarios and all. Yeah, that's great. And when is your joining date?
Mine was Jan 20, May 22nd. May 22nd on Hanuman Jayanti, I think. I have kept
Okay.
on.
Okay, fine. So 3 months of notice period, right? Currently.
Yeah, yeah, no, yeah.
Yeah. So how much percentage of hike you got?
I got 100% on max.
Wow.
100% not. It like 90% I got on.
Then I think you call me right after interview because you're a diploma candidate and you're expecting.
Yeah, nah, I came from your background like that. I have worked as an FE, later I worked as an RE. Based on my experience, they got to know that everything I have done.
Okay.
First I worked as an FE, after I worked as an RE, then knock, then I went to implementation on. These
Yeah.
things I have done within 4 years, right? So they got my everything.
Yeah.
So simply they
Nice. Nice.
got taken me position like that
Yeah.
with my experience and with your with your TV networks experience.
Yeah.
Mixed the both and I
Yeah.
got the opportunity.
So
Uh,
what do you
that
suggest to the candidates, freshers and experienced candidates? Which batch are you actually? December or January?
September, I think.
Oh,
September.
September. Okay,
Yeah,
your experienced candidate, right? 2 months it went. Okay,
yeah,
so
yeah.
yeah, what you want to suggest to the our new people in our company?
I, s- I, I don't do any suggestion. And I simply say follow you. That's it. If you are doing so much towards the, I think people don't understand what you are doing out uh, to the people. I am thinking that some people after teaching course they will leave. We are the September 16th batch from the past 5 months. I think so,
Yeah,
5 to 5 months. But you are taking care of us
yeah,
till now.
yeah.
That was a. I think that was an. I can't say in my words, Anna. That's it. You are saying everything, but the people should do those things. That's it.
Okay, so I am telling them to do labs.
Yeah, those. That's what I'm saying. You are saying what you are saying that you are saying that to do labs and everything. They ask them to take their new topologies and everything. If they do labs and keep it running notes or everything, then it will be fine, more enough to attend an interview.
Yeah, yeah. They will easily crack it. I agree that so many people crack that interview. Yeah,
Yeah,
and one more thing, when you
yeah.
join, that time there is no placements team. Now we have a dedicated placements team to take care of the stuff,
Yeah,
right?
you're improving more, and that's what I'm thinking more about. You are growing more. That's what I am feeling so happy.
Yeah,
We should also grow. We should also grow. We are thinking about every time within because you're. I'm seeing your WhatsApp, and that's every day. I see WhatsApp morning. Your our group only. And you are messaging every day. That's a no candidate like a know what was the value. In future, they might be knowing after, but how you are taking everyone's progress like that.
yeah. Now I'm so much occupied, right? So that's why we have
Mm.
dedicated team. They are taking care of it. Yeah, yeah. Our agenda is to get you into good organization and all. So you're happy, right? Well,
Yeah, I'm happy, and
part of
I will.
growing.
I have taken only CCNA. I'm ready to take a CCNP with it
Yeah,
because that's what
yeah.
I'm waiting
Soon,
for.
soon, soon. Once you get free, yeah, you can
Yeah,
also join CCNP, and yeah, you can. We will give you more opportunities in product-based company. But next time we have
yeah,
to hit
perfect.
product-based. Okay, that's the
Yeah,
target.
that's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
you start then as Divan course like that, and you have, I think you have already discussed now. So be prepare on that now. So
What
just
is
one
that?
suggestion.
Which one?
SDVAN,
SD,
SDVAN and
see,
SDVAN.
SD-WAN implementation is already pipeline. So you know what? If you know BGP, now you said asymmetric routing, right?
Yeah,
That is
yeah,
a so if you want to fix the asymmetric routing issues, you need to do path manipulation. That is a manual work. Okay.
yeah,
If you learn SD-WAN, you don't need to do that. To
yeah,
avoid that kind of issues, we implement
yeah,
SD-WAN. They implement this SD-WAN in enterprise architecture. So I worked in
yeah,
SD-WAN, Cisco
yeah,
Viptela. The thing is, that is advanced courses. Okay. So yeah, we are going to launch soon. Yeah, stay tuned.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying. Yeah,
yeah. So
we
next
can for
next
the
month.
experience connected to be so useful now.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
all.
yeah.
Let's
That
do
that's
which
that's
way.
very easy. That's very easy. We can. Yeah, I can clearly, saying that we can launch soon. And one more thing, next month we are launching the automation projects and going forward,
Oh,
right?
nice.
Yeah,
Oh God,
yeah. So
thanks, Anna.
going forward, going forward, whatever the industries are exactly looking, right? I'm working in industry. I know what
Yeah, yeah,
exactly in networking field is required. So that's what so we cannot launch everything on day one, right? I
yeah,
want to, if I want to launch any course, make sure from scratch to ending I need to prepare all the projects realistic way, whatever the projects, right? So
yes, Anna.
it's not like earning money and now I have the name and all, so company is growing a lot, but I do not mislead that name and launching projects and courses for money and all. It's not like that. We the values of Tungabhadra networks, right? So we want to give quality of education to the candidates. Make sure we I need to stop what exactly the institutions are doing the scam, right? I would like to stop that. Going forward, definitely I will work on it and make sure every institution should teach the things, with real time projects, and they come up with the quality of education. That's my plan. Let's do how it is. But currently I'm focusing on my company, and let's do this, let's continue this way, and soon, yeah, soon we'll work on it. And definitely, you once you join in a TBN group, right, you're permanently part of deepen group. You can come to office anywhere anytime. Okay, we are going to launch the branches as well. And yeah, we are giving ID cards also, right? So if you wear the ID card and come to office, no one will question you. Yeah, you can learn. You will have the access for lifelong once you're part of Tungabhadra networks. That's the
Yeah.
core value of TB networks, Tungabhadra networks. Okay, and thank you so much for such a valuable sessions, and sessions are always been taken. And yeah, we'll meet you, man, in Hyderabad soon. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your love and support, and thank you so much for your show, your sharing your feedback, experience, and all. This might be useful to someone. Maybe you got lucky. They are asking so just 10 minutes to 15 minutes of interview, but within 10 to 15 minutes, you explain in a professional way by using such a keywords, and they come to know that
Yeah.
yeah. So that's the thing. So yeah. So yeah, okay. So thank you so much, Lokesh. So see you soon in CCNP class. If you soon join, right? We can continue in
Yeah.
CCNP, and yeah. So let's see. Yeah. Thank you so much again. And last final words to the freshers and experienced candidates from your from your
Yeah.
side.
Yeah, guys, from my end, please prepare for the do prepare with the labs and be ready when will be opportunity come. I too don't know because with 10 a.m. I got and I cracked the interview over the 1 p.m. So be ready.
That's a craziest past in your life, right? You got a call
Yeah,
from
right.
10 p.m. You ran away, all of a sudden from your home, and you attend the interview, cracked it. It's all magic in one day. Working hard for
Yeah,
5 months and it happened in one day, 6 hours. Yeah,
I'm not preparing for the any interviews and just you said na I went and given an interview. That's why I haven't prepared. Not said because by you listening to your classes and went to and take an interview. That's it. Anna.
yeah, yeah. And yeah, you cannot predict the things, right? So yeah, be ready with
Yeah.
the concepts and all. So do labs every day, guys, and it will be helpful for you. And the reason we don't want to show our faces is because of everyone having some concerns and privacies, right? So that please value those privacies and all. Okay, we also value those privacies and all. Okay, if the video is not showing, it doesn't mean we are doing fraud or something else. Okay, it means there are a lot of silent people. I'm the active person. I can jump here and there, but some people are very silent and calm, because of their growing environment, right? So we should respect that. Okay. Yeah, I hope you will like this success story, and soon tomorrow we'll come up with a new success story, guys. Okay, within 2 days. Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you so much, Lokesh. Thank you so much for accepting this success story and sharing your valuable experience to the candidates. And yeah, we're looking forward to meet you soon. Okay, thank you, man. Have
Thank
a nice day. Good night. Yeah.